In this video, we're going to build a smooth bottom toast notification using only HTML and CSS, no JavaScript at all. This little pop-up message slides in beautifully from the bottom of the screen, perfect for showing alerts, confirmations, or quick user feedback in any modern web app. It's simple, clean, and super easy to customize. Let's dive right in and build it together. Notifications play a huge role in modern web design. They help us communicate with users quickly, clearly, and without interrupting their experience. A bottom toast notification is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to do that. It's small, subtle, and appears just long enough to deliver a message, like confirming a successful action, showing an alert, or giving quick feedback after a click. Unlike pop-ups or modal windows, a toast doesn't demand attention. It slides in gently at the bottom of the screen, allowing the user to keep interacting with the page while still noticing the update. This makes it ideal for actions like message sent, item added to cart, or settings saved. The beauty of this type of notification is in its balance. It's noticeable, but never intrusive. It brings a touch of motion and life to your interface, helping the user feel that the system is responding naturally and instantly. In modern UI design, these small details are what make the entire experience feel smoother and more human. Whether it's on a website, dashboard, or app, a clean and well-timed toast notification can make all the difference in how users perceive your product. Simple, elegant, and built with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, there's more on the way.